Here we go. We walk around and see what else they have. Maybe, just maybe, there'll be something. 你买什么？手表。
手表啊，要吗？
We gotta go up there. Let's check it out. I can see my hotel from here.
I think I saw you earlier downstairs.
Yeah?
你中文说得很好。
啊，没有没有，我觉得我的中文不太好，所以我学习。
Always said that.
Beer on the roof of a bookstore next to the second tallest building in Asia. Cheers. We made it to the Batu Caves. What do we got? Oh, wait. You're gonna go in? All right. It's okay. Hang on. It's a good life, right? Man, there's no way my camera is picking up the detail of what this looks like.
Cukup pergi sana bang, di sini. Tu dia, asal beautiful.
So here we are right in front of the tower. I was just doing some research on the tower, and it's 88 floors tall, and it has 32,000 windows surrounding all of it. And one last thing that I thought was pretty neat is it has the deepest foundation of any building. It's about 400 feet deep where they started the foundation. So just an incredible tower. We gotta go up there. Let's check it out. We didn't come all this way just to be on the outside. We gotta go inside. So let's see what it's like. I don't know how much it costs, but I imagine it can't be more than 40 US dollars.
Please use your card.
Well, got a ticket. Not many options available. They go quick. So 10:30 it is. This is my first time on a single file escalator. I kind of like it, to be honest. This gap behind me is pretty interesting. The sky bridge is not connected to the two buildings. And that's because the buildings are going to move with the wind. So there's a 12-inch gap between the sky bridge and each building. But look at this place. That's where we just were, down there. We're on level 41, I think she said. I'm not too sure, but you could see a lot of Kuala Lumpur from here.
Alright.
Hey, check it out. I can see my hotel from here. That's my hotel. That's where I gotta go. Goodbye, tower. Very lucky to be able to see this, especially on a clear day, just in time for the rain. But when I was up top, I thought I saw this area where I could walk through to get back to my hotel room and just cut out 20 minutes of walking time. We'll see if that holds true. All right, let's try. Thank you, Salma Walkway, for saving me 20 minutes of my journey. Because now, we just have to walk through this. I think right there, bada bam, bada boom. And we're back to where we need to be. Cool. Okay, well, it's monsooning now. I was about to say, it can't get that much worse. I can't do anything. Except for wait. Great. And that's my place right there. That tall building right there. All right, you know what? We're not gonna melt, let's go. Oh, my camera might break. Oh yeah, it's cloudy right now. It's 20% chance of rain in the next hour. Yeah. Let's just hope that it goes away in 20 minutes. That's the good thing about monsoon season. Just downpours, and then out of nowhere, it goes away. And then the sun comes out, and it's like, hey, we never rained today, it's fine. This is about 10 minutes later, it stopped raining. And there it is, right there. Okay, well, could have been worse. We're back, we made it, listen, just in time. How dreadful is this? So I feel really bad for those people that had 11, 12, 1 o'clock spots at the place we were just at. Because, yeah, the place you see right there, right? The Twin Towers. Good morning, Kuala Lumpur. Finally, a semi-sunny day after washout yesterday, so to speak. But I was woken
by all these cheerful and cheering soccer players. These are the future professional Malaysian soccer players of the world.
今天天气非常热，我想要你的伞。
We can share.
Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. I'm kidding. 开玩笑。
你中文说得很好。
啊，没有没有，我觉得我的中文不太好，所以我学习。
We always said that our English is poor.
Your English is good. 你的英语这么好。
I mean, you said your Chinese is poor, but actually it's not.
啊，谢谢你，你真好。
中文很好。This way.
This way? I'm going this way. But it was nice to meet you guys. Bye bye. Oops, sorry, sir. All right. Somehow we found our way into some vintage clothing / bookstore. This is cool. I've never been to a brewery and a bookstore. Yeah, I love this place.
I think I saw you earlier downstairs, sir.
Yeah? Oh, no way.
Because we are same company with the downstairs, the Rex bar there.
Oh, yeah. I was there.
I saw you earlier.
Thank you. Ooh, thank you so much.
On the fan as well, sir, because we have a fan outside.
Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. It is hot, but okay. First beer at a bookstore. Cheers. Ah. All right, that has to be the longest time I've ever spent in a library ever. Everything about that library was pretty cool. In the meantime, I guess we could just take a right here. We'll be back on that street and let's see what else they have here. Here we go. We just left the bookstore. Let's walk through. Ooh. Some duck being chopped up right over here. Looks delicious. There's a lot of vendors around here. You can pick from a lot of different things. Like this right here is the backpack area, the bag area, more bags over there. We have some jerseys over there. Bags and bags and bags. I mean, it just goes on and on. You could probably find really good prices here. Shoes right here. Really good prices, I can imagine. I remember I saw a couple. It was like $4 for some bucket hats, which I thought was a pretty good price. You have your Thailand pants right over here if you want to go with that. Sunglasses, just everything.
Yes, sir. Good watches. Have a look at.
Good watches.
Yeah, premium quality.
Oh man, all right, let's see them. I don't have any money though. I don't know if I could buy one.
Your camera on.
In the center of it all, I don't know what to buy. I don't even have any cash. So we'll see. I mean, do they take card here? I really don't know. And plus, I don't even know if there's anything I want to buy, to be honest. But I guess we'll walk around and see what else they have. Maybe, just maybe, there'll be something. Hello. 你卖什么？手表。
手表
对吧？
啊，要吗？
啊，多少钱？
这个25，
20。这个呢？
这个65，
啊，
拉把，总块一哎，其中就把中间
便宜一点。
啊
Yeah, I like this. That's good.
65可以。
65.
60
60.
啊，
我可以用卡吗？
可以。
可以。
Where you from? China?
No, 美国。
Big War.
60?
Yeah.
60 US or 60 Myanmar?
This Malaysia.
Really?
Malaysia ringgit. Yeah.
很好。All right. Let's buy.
啊，好。
Just like that, we made it to the Batu Caves, which is one of the most culturally significant Hindu, I guess, places in the world. Man, this looks a lot taller than 140 feet. This right here is the statue of Lord Morrigan, which is the largest of its deity in the world, and the second largest statue in all of Malaysia. All right, let's go. I think it's 270 steps, so what is that, like 23 flights upstairs? All right, but every journey starts with one single footstep. Let's go. Okay, we're maybe halfway and I'm already out of breath. I think I overdid it. Fist bump? Okay. Still a work in progress. I'm teaching them how to fist bump. We're close. Watch all this. Which is actually a lot more than I thought it'd be. Kind of wish I used Strava for anyone that uses that app to see the exact elevation, but I guess Google is good enough too. Here we go. Wish I had food, bro. I know. Oh, nice. Got a banana there. Whoa. Wow. It almost doesn't look real. It looks like it's a Disney set, but I guess Disney's that good and I've only seen Disney. But what are you doing here? There's chickens here. Oh, acid. What? There's a gift shop up here. Dude, there's chickens everywhere here. There's a rooster over there, chicken over there. It's like a whole farm up here. You got monkeys, you got pigeons, you got chickens. You got beautiful temples to pray at. So let's keep going. And I'm gonna turn it down a little bit from tourist guide mode and we'll take it all in and see what it's like. Man, oh man, it's just what he said. I feel like if you looked up rooster or chicken in a textbook, this is the picture you'll have. But wait, there's more. I think this is the end of it. After this, we reach the top, I think. Again, what do I know? Man, is it beautiful. They coated the outside in some kind of lamination, I guess for health and safety reasons. So this is it right there. They have some cables going around, but I think this is still, no, yeah, all of it has been sort of refurbished, if you will, I guess, to make sure that it doesn't collapse, which, thank you, because last thing I want is just but look at this though. Ah, man, there's no way my camera is picking up the detail of what this looks like in person. It's too dark in here. How's the apple, sir? Pretty good? Not a bad life for a monkey. You're free, you're in this beautiful area, people give you free food all day long, you're in a holy place, you're safe. It's a good life, right? I don't know how high this is, I gotta look it up online, but it really goes up. I took my drone over that way yesterday and filmed some stuff, so maybe now's a good time to show you what it looks like, kind of from that way. And you can see that out there too. Should I? Chew twice if you think so. 1, 2.
Ni budak-budak anak bersamamu.
Ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Wow. Sangat so sweet, kan?
working up a sweat just going down. You know what they really need here? If there's a way that they could make a slide that goes down, or 2 slides, you pay a little extra money, it's donations. Think about it. That'd be neat. Although then you're ruining what could be like a very historical, significant, spiritual place. So scratch all that. It's so close. Namaste bicep. Kitna. 5? 5, 10. Okay. 10 is for one or the whole thing? Just one. Oh, the whole thing? 10? Okay. Oh, this and this? For 10?
Yeah.
For 10? To 2? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, I'll do it. We got the whole grocery store here. These monkeys better be happy. Actually, I didn't want the seeds, but I gave him a 50 and he just kind of added that in. So now we have them. Oh, oh, hey, man.
Here's another one.
Yeah, the right eye, isn't it? Yeah, see,
Oops,
it's
sorry,
closed.
bud.
But he's a beastie. He's the big one.
It's amazing how they peel it like we do. I guess that's why we're somehow related.
Oh, he wants the other one? What do we got?
What are you fussing
Oh,
about,
wait.
huh? Oh, they're holding
You're gonna go in?
jowls.
All right.
I think it's just one guy who's got a crush.
Okay, hey, whoa. It's okay, hey, man. I got you. Here.
This guy's talking.
He's trying to it's like more food.
High five. Okay, I won't. We go down the last few flights of stairs, so 272 up, 272 down, and then whatever that other flight was. Yeah, got my workout in for today. You can see it clearly on my face, but here we go. Hey, I'm leaving. I didn't use these, so if you want these, it's all you.
Wonderful. Thank
There you go.
you.
Yeah, for sure. Bye-bye. Pepsi bought in and sponsored a temple site. Oh man, so good. Yeah, I probably had maybe samosas from 15 different places in my life, but this is by far the best samosa I've ever had, ever. Fresh coconut, all of this. Good prices too. Especially at a temple, you wouldn't expect that. Okay, well, that's a very sweaty end to our adventure. I'm ready. I have 2 days left here. No, 1 day now. And then I'm going to Bangladesh. That's kind of why I'm doing this, because I want to get a street shape when I'm in Dhaka. And yeah, I guess that's how we're going to conclude our episode. Although